Ever feel a lightning bolt shoot from your butt down your leg? Today, we're diving into one of the most misunderstood conditions out there, sciatica. People think sciatica is a diagnosis. It's not. It's a clue. And today, we are going to decode it like body detectives. This is Dr. Cece. Let's dive in. Sciatica is not a diagnosis. It's a symptom. It literally means your sciatic nerve is annoyed, not damaged, not broken, just irritated, like a hangry toddler. Pain, tingling, burning, or numbness traveling anywhere along the sciatic nerve pathway, from the low back to the butt, down the hamstrings, and sometimes into the calf or foot. It's your sciatic nerve saying, I'm irritated, I'm crowded, I'm getting squished, help me. So our job is to figure out what's squishing it and why it's irritated. The sciatic nerve is a superhero team-up of 5 spinal nerves, L4, L5, S1, S2, and S3. They merge together in your pelvis to form the biggest, longest, and thickest nerve in your whole body. It starts in your lower back and sacrum, travels through your butt, then runs all the way down the back of your leg into your foot. So, if any of those areas get tight, inflamed, misaligned, or overloaded, the sciatic nerve gets cranky and lashes out. Here are the top 5 common causes of sciatica. Now, this is the interesting part because sciatica has many causes, and only one of them is a disc issue. Top cause number 1, a herniated or bulging lumbar disc. A disc pressing on a nerve root is classic sciatica. This is usually sharper, more electric, and is made worse by sitting or bending. Number 2, Piriformis Syndrome, aka butt muscle drama. Your piriformis is a tiny muscle with a very big attitude, and it's a real pain in the butt. It's a small triangular muscle that lives deep in your buttocks beneath the gluteus maximus. Its job is to externally rotate your hip, stabilize your pelvis during walking, and help with hip abduction when the hip is flexed. Piriformis syndrome happens when the piriformis muscle tightens, spasms, or becomes inflamed, and this can irritate the nearby sciatic nerve. A key clue is if pressing the butt triggers symptoms, then the piriformis is most likely involved. This is important because the treatment will differ. Number 3, pelvic or SI joint misalignment. If one side of the pelvis rotates forward or backward, it can stretch or compress the sciatic nerve pathway. People feel this as butt tightness, hamstring tension, and leg pulling. Number 4, spinal stenosis. This is more common in adults over 50 years old. The nerve canals narrow, so standing and walking hurt, but sitting feels much better. And number 5, muscle imbalances and movement habits. You can literally irritate your own sciatic nerve just by wearing a wallet in your back pocket and sitting on it all day. This is known as wallet sciatica. Sitting like a shrimp for long hours in the same position, meaning folded up in your car. Think Uber and Lyft drivers, door dashers, truck drivers, and even police officers. You can get it from weak glute muscles, especially the gluteus medius. Tight hamstrings, especially a weak core and tight hamstring combo. Overpronation. This is when the foot rolls excessively inward when you walk or run, causing the arch to flatten and disrupting the foot's natural shock absorption. You can get it from carrying kids on one hip, or simply by living in the modern world. If your leg is screaming at you, don't assume the worst. So, how do you know that it's sciatica? There are patterns that give it away, like pain follows the nerve line, lower back to butt to hamstring to calf to foot, tingling, numbness, and burning, especially in the calf and foot. Stretching the nerve reproduces symptoms. The single raise leg test makes it worse. You can have someone help you perform this simple test at home by laying flat on your back and having someone try to lift your leg to 90 degrees. If you can't even get to 60 degrees without pain or tingling, you may be dealing with sciatica. It's usually one-sided most of the time. True sciatica is usually not on both sides at the same time, though it's not loyal to any one side and can switch sides depending on its mood. But both sides at the same time usually doesn't happen. Here's a chiropractic 4-step fix. Step 1. Calm the nerve down by reducing the compression. In this acute phase, too much stretching can actually make it worse. Instead, try gentle cobra press-ups, pelvic tilts, decompression movements, and nerve glides, non-aggressive nerve glides. Space equals relief. Step 2, reduce muscle tension in the buttocks and hips by releasing the muscles surrounding the nerve. A piriformis stretch, figure 4 stretch, hip internal rotation stretch, glute medius activation, and foam rolling the lateral glutes. Careful on this nerve. Relax the butt equals free the nerve. Step 3, fix the foundation, core and glutes. This is the secret sauce. If your core and glutes aren't pulling their weight, your spine and sciatic nerve carry the load. Some exercises: bridges, dead bugs, bird dogs, side steps with bands, and hip airplanes. This is the more advanced exercise. Step 4, fix daily habits that irritate the nerve. Because you can do all the exercises in the world, but if you sit like a shrimp for 9 hours a day, the nerve will stay mad. Some tips: change positions every 30 to 45 minutes. Don't sit on your wallet. Get a fanny pack or waist bag if you need to. Switch sides when holding bags. Take hip mobility breaks. And proper lifting mechanics like the hip hinge will help out a lot. Seek professional help if you have severe numbness, leg weakness, foot drop, meaning you can't lift your foot, a loss of bowel or bladder control, or the pain will not improve and it's ruining your life. That's your sign to get checked by a professional ASAP. Otherwise, most sciatic conditions calm down much faster than you think. It just needs a little time and attention and TLC from you. Sciatica is very common, very treatable, and usually very fixable. Your sciatic nerve doesn't hate you. It just wants space, strong support, and less butt drama. It doesn't like butt drama, aka Piriformis Syndrome. But it loves space, a happy butt, and a stronger core. Watch my sacral plexus video for more exercises for sciatica, Piriformis Syndrome, drop foot, and more. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more pro tips for pain and posture perfect content. And if you want a sciatica exercise only video, Let me know in the comments. This is Dr. CC. See you next video.